Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter time, and the lessons we're going to cover today are time words, o'clock, half, quarter, AM and PM, compare clocks and elapsed time. So let's just start with the first lesson. Here I'm on grade 2 maths. The chapter we're working on is time, and here is the lesson time words, o'clock, half, quarter. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, here is the chapter time. Here is the lesson. Okay, let's just start with the okay. What time is shown? It is you have to look at the clock and you have to see the time. So you can see that is the digital clock. You can see the digits. It's 9 and 30. So 30 minutes after 9 o'clock it is. Got it? So we can say it is half past 9. Got it? So it would be half past 9. Okay. What time is shown? The small hand is the hour hand and the large one is the minute hand. Got it? So you can see the hour hand points to 2 and the minute hands point to 0. So it would be 2 o'clock. Got it? Exactly 2. So you can say it is 2 o'clock. Got it? Okay, what time is shown? Here you have 9. That is a digital clock. You can see here the clock shows 9:45. Got it? So it means it is 45 minutes after 9 o'clock. And you have just 15 minutes to 10 o'clock. So you can say it is quarter to 10. Got it? So basically the 15 minutes is the one fourth of an hour, because in 1 hour you have 60 minutes. Got it? So let me just write it down. Just listen to me carefully. Here you have 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Half hour equals 30 minutes. 1/4 hour equal 15 minutes. Got it? So that would be the quarter hour. So you can say it is quarter to 10. It is quarter to 10. That means you have just 15 minutes to 10. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, what time is shown? So it is a digital clock. You can see here you have 6. That means it is 6 o'clock. The correct option is 6 o'clock. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, what time is shown? So you can see the hour hand points to 1 and the minutes hand point to 3. That means it is 1:15. Got it? So, 15 minutes means it is quarter. Got it? So you can say it is quarter after 1. Like after 1 you have 15 minutes. Got it? It would be quarter after 1. That means after 1 it is 15 minutes. Okay, what time is shown? So it is a digital clock. You can see the time, it would be 8:30. So you can say it is half past 8 because 30 minutes to 8. So you can say it would be half past 8. No, you can read the time from the clock like it is 8:30, but basically you have to read the time like this. It would be 8 past, half past 30. Got it? What time is shown? Which is the correct option? You can see it is 15 minutes, 5:15 it is. Got it? So how can you read the time? 15 minutes is quarter to 15 minutes is quarter to 1 hour. Got it? So it would be quarter past 5. Got it? The correct option is quarter past 5. Okay, what time is shown? Which is the correct option? Just answer in half, quarter, or o'clock. Do not write the time. Which is the correct option? It is dash to 3. You can see the hour hand points to midway between 2 and 3. Got it? That means it is 2, and the hour minute hand points to 9. That means it is 2:45. Got it? So how can we have just 15 minutes to 3? Got it? So 15 minutes means a quarter. So you can say it is quarter to 3. Got it? The correct option is it is quarter to 3. What time is shown? It is It is half past. 30 minutes means it is half past 2. Got it? That means 30 minutes to it is half past 2. The correct option is half. Do not write time like this. You can need to understand the quarter, the half, and the o'clock. So just write the correct option. Write the time you are going to learn. What time is it? It is exactly 5. Got it? So you can see it is 5 o'clock. The correct option is 5 o'clock. Okay, what time is shown? It is 30 minutes, 9:30 it is. Got it? So you can say it is half past 9. 30 minutes mean an half hour. Got it? So it would be half past 9. The correct option. Very good. That would be half past 9. Okay, what time is shown? it is 2 o'clock. The correct option is 2 o'clock. What time is shown? It is 15 minutes. 8:15 it is. So you can say it is quarter past 8. The correct option is 15 minutes mean quarter past 8. The correct option is quarter. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. Stop talking everyone. Just listen to me. Focus on the lesson we are working. The next lesson is AM or PM. So whenever we have to write down the time in AM and PM, so what does the AM mean? AM means AM is used for morning time before 12. Got it? So whenever you have to write down the morning time, you can write AM. So anytime after 12 in the afternoon, whenever you have to write down the time after whenever you have to write down the time after 12, you can say it would be the PM. Got it? Anytime in the evening or night is PM. Anytime in the afternoon is PM. So anytime in the morning is AM. Got it? Let's just look at the question. Zad, Mila, Catalina and Iman do their homework after they come home from the school. What time did they do their homework? So whenever after their school, got it? That means they usually come back from the school after the afternoon. So after the afternoon time would be in PM. So you can say it would be 4 p.m. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Alan's family is going to bike ride in the afternoon. What time is it? So which is the correct option? 3 a.m. or 3 p.m.? Afternoon, right? After the afternoon, it would be PM. So it would be 3 p.m. Got it? The correct option is 3 p.m. You can see in the afternoon. That means afternoon would be PM. So it would be 3 p.m., not AM. Courtney is going to go out to a party tonight. What time is it? So he is going to have a party tonight. Got it? It would be in PM, 10 p.m. because usually the parties are in the evening after afternoon, after the afternoon. So it would be 10 p.m. The correct option is 10 p.m. Frank does not like waking up in the morning. What time does he not like to wake up? So he doesn't like to wake up in the morning. Got it? So what time he not like to wake up? That means morning time would be the AM. So he would not like to wake up at 6 a.m. Yes, that would be AM. So Nana likes shopping in the evening. What time does she shop? So which is the correct option? It would be PM because she goes up in the evening. So it would be the PM. The correct option is 7 p.m. Iman woke up to go to school. What time did she wake up? So which is the correct option? In the morning, you go school in the morning, it would be 6 a.m. Very good. You woke up for school at a.m. So it would be 6 a.m. Catalina went to the fireworks at night. What time was it? Which is the correct option? It would be at night. Yes, that would be p.m. That would be 9 p.m. Mars was working on his computer at night. What time was it? So, which is the correct option? It would be, yes, it would be p.m. because in the night it would be p.m. Okay, the next one is Mila likes to go out with her parents for dinner. What time will she eat? 6 a.m. or 6 p.m.? It would be, dinner would be usually in the p.m. So it would be very good, 6 p.m. Zad will play basketball with his friend in the morning. What time will he play? In the morning. So in the morning it would be 9 a.m. The correct option is 9 a.m. Zad, Mila, Katlina, and Iman do their homework after they come home from school. What time did they do their homework? After the school. So it would be p.m. It would be 4 p.m. because they came back from school after the afternoon. So it would be p.m. Got it? Okay, we are done with the test. Let's just move on to the next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is compare clocks. You have to compare the time. Got it? Okay, the clock shows when some friends practiced piano Friday afternoon. Who practiced piano last? You can just see the times on the clock. Here you have Dana practiced at 5, Carlin practiced at 4, and Farah practiced at 3. So who practiced at the last time? Who practiced piano last? Okay, the next one is you can see 3, 4, and 5. So the last time would be the latest time would be 5. So it would be 5. Okay, the clock shows two things Megan did Monday afternoon. So watched the movie and got the mall. So he watched the movie at 2 and got the mall at 4. Which did Megan do first? So 2, you can see he watched the movie at 2 and got the mall at 4. So 2 is earlier than 4. Got it? That means Megan watched the movie first, then he went to the mall. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, the clock shows when some friends got home from school Monday afternoon. So, who got home from school first? So, which is the correct option? Karen Karen came back at 5 and Rachel came back at 4. So, who got home first? 4 is earlier than 5. Got it? That means Rachel come first from school. The correct option is Rachel. Okay, the clock shows three things Sheng did Sunday morning. Walked the dog at 10, got dressed at 11, and watched TV at 8. So, which did Shagan do latest? So, which is the correct option? 10, 11, and 8. That means the last he did is watching TV because 8 is the latest time. So, it would be watch TV. Hmm. Got dressed. What did Shinj do latest? Oh, 8, 10, and 11. Yes, it would be 11 he did. Got dressed is the latest one he did. 8, 10, and 11. So 11 is the latest time. Okay, this clock shows three things Jack did Thursday evening. At 10, he talked on the phone. At 7, ate dinner, and at 8, watched a movie. What did Jack do earliest? It would be 7, 8, and 10. So what did Jack did the earliest? Earliest means the one he did the first one. So the first one he did is ate dinner. It would be at 7, and at 7 he ate dinner. After 7, at 8 he watched a movie, and at 10 he talked on the phone. Got it? So earliest he ate dinner. Very good. Okay, the clock shows two things Frank did Friday morning. At 8 he fed the dog, and at 10 he packed a lunch. What did Frank do second? So which is the correct option? Do second. So 8 and 10. At 8 he fed the cat, and in 10 he packed the lunch. That means at second he packed the lunch. Okay. The next one is the clock shows when some friends watched a how a TV show Sunday evening. Dan watched at 9, Frank watched at 10, and Alan watched at 8. So who watched a TV show latest? So who did the latest? Yes, the Frank. 8, 9, and 10 because 10 is the latest. So Frank did the latest. The clock shows two things Pablo did yesterday. Practiced piano at 9, watched a movie at 10. Which did Pablo do first? What did Pablo do first? At first, he practiced piano because 9 is earlier than 10. So, at first, he practiced piano. Okay, the clock show three things. Ying did Saturday evening, ate dinner at 10, took a shower at 7, and went for a walk at 9. So, what did Ying do last? So, which is the correct option? It would be 7, 9, and 10. That means 10 is the latest, and at 10 he ate dinner. The correct option is ate dinner. The clock shows two things Megan did Monday afternoon. Watched a movie at 2, got the mall at 4. Which did Megan do first? So, which is the correct option? 2 is earlier than 4. Got it? That means he watched a movie first and then he got the good mall. Okay, the clock shows when some friends practiced piano Friday morning. Who practiced piano? Last, Dana did at 5, Carlin did at 4, and Farah did at 5. So who did the at the last? Four, three, four, five. That means Dana did it last. 5 is the latest, and at 5, Dana did. So it would be Dana did it last. Farah, how? The clock shows two things Josh did Sunday evening. Did homework at 7 and listened to the music at 8. So, which did Josh do earlier? So, 7 is earlier than 8. Got it? That means he did homework first and then listened to the music. It would be option number 1. He did homework first. Okay, the clock shows when some friends got to the bus stop Monday morning. Ali at 9, Jonathan at 11, and Kate at 10. Who got to the bus stop latest? So, which is the correct option? Who did the latest? Latest mean the last one. So, 11, 9, 10, and 11. So, yes, Jonathan did at the last. Okay. The clock show when some friend practiced piano Monday after lunch. Christina did at 4 and Taylor did at 3. Who practiced piano first? So, which is the correct option? So, first he did Taylor did first, 3 and 4. So Taylor did first and then Christina did because 3 is earlier than 4. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let's just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is elapsed time. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, Jennifer and Clayton went to a carnival. They got to the carnival at 2 o'clock in the afternoon and don't leave until 10 o'clock. How long did Jennifer and Clayton stay at the carnival? So you know the start time and you also know the end time. You need to calculate the time between the start and end time. Like for this question, they got to the carnival at 2 o'clock. That means the start time is 2 o'clock. And they don't leave until 10. That means the end time is 10 o'clock. So you have to count by hours from 2 till 10. So it would be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it would be 2, 3, and you have to count until 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you count from 2 until 10, it would be 8 hours. That means they stay there for 8 hours. Got it? Let's just start with the test question. Okay, Ali went sailing with her parents. They got on the boat at 10 o'clock in the morning. The boat returned to shore at noon. How long were Ali and her parents on the boat? So she started at 10 in the morning. That means it would be 10 a.m. And they returned to shore at noon. That means that noon would be after 2 hours. Noon would be 12. Got it? So count 10 till until 12. So it would be 10, 11, and 12. That means it would be just 2 hours and 0 minute. Got it? It would be 2 hours, 0 minute. Sorry, I forgot to select the option. Dave was going on a big trip. He arrived at the airport at 9 and got the plane at 10. How long was Dave at the airport? You have to calculate the time he spent on the airport. So he got there at 9 and he got on the plane at 10. So how much time he spent there? 9 and 10, just 1 hour. That means he spent on airport just 1 hour and 0 minute. Got it? Okay, Jackie started working on her science fair project at noon. She didn't stop until working on until 9 o'clock in the evening. How long did Jackie work on her science project? So start counting the time from at noon means it would be just 12. So 12 until 9 you have to count the time. So start counting by hours. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That means it would be 9 hours 0 minute. That means he worked on the project for 9 hours and 0 minute. Count 12 until 9, so it would be 9 hours 0 minute. Got it? Okay, the next one is it was 8 a.m. when Kindy began moving the lawn and he finished at 9 a.m. How long did it take Candy to move the lawn? Which is the correct option? So he started at 8 and he worked until 9. So which is the correct option? It would be 8 and just 1 hour, 1 hour, 0 minute. Jennifer and Clayton went to a carnival. They got to the carnival at 2 2 o'clock in the afternoon and don't leave until 10 in the evening. How long did Jennifer and Clayton stay at the carnival? It will be over after 5 minutes because I started the class 10 minutes late because of the connectivity issue. So you have to start counting by hours from 2 until 10. It would be 8 hours. You have to start counting from 2 until 10. So it would be 8 hours. Very good. Okay, the next one is it started raining at 6 a.m. and did not stop until 12 p.m. How long did it rain? You have to count time from 2 until 12. So which is the correct option? 6 until 12. It would be 6 hours. When you start counting from 6 until 12, it would be 6 hours and 0 minutes. Rina and Yoshi went running. They started down the path at 11. When they finished running, it was 12 p.m. How long did the run take? From 11 until 12, he spent just 1 hour. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 2 maths. The chapter we're working on is time, and we have covered the lessons. They are time words, o'clock, half or quarter, AM or PM. Then we did compare clocks, and the one we just completed is elapsed time. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. If you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask if you have any question. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.